Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be having a look at something a bit different. It's a smart bird feeder from a company called VINGUYS. So VINGUYS reached out to me about 4 weeks ago and said, would I like to try out their smart bird feeder, which essentially is a bird feeder with a camera built into it, and it uses AI to identify bird species and sends this back to your phone, and you can download it from the cloud or SD card. So it's a really unique product. I've really enjoyed using this over the past 4 weeks. I've been testing it out in the real world, as I always do on this channel before I put the review on there. I've got some thoughts on the product, some long-term thoughts and some initial thoughts, and I will share them with you in this review. So stay tuned to find out, is this something you should buy and is it worth your money? So let me just briefly introduce the product. So the product, I've said this in the initial introduction, but I want to go into more detail. So the product is it's a little bird feeder which sits on, you can screw it to your fence, you can put it onto your brick wall, anywhere in your garden where birds are going to go, as long as it's in range of your Wi-Fi. So it has a big antenna on the back of it, so plenty of reception. I had no problems getting it to connect to my Wi-Fi, which is actually the routers at the other end of my house through several brick walls, and this as the bird feeder is connected, rock solid connection to the router all the time, never drop connection. And one unique feature about this is that you get a solar panel with it. So battery powered devices have always been a real pain for me because you have to charge the batteries up, you forget to do it, and it just doesn't work, in my opinion, very well. So solar powered devices are coming out now and they work really well. So I put the solar panel just above the house and I've not had to charge it up at all. It's worked perfectly for the past 4 weeks. The battery stays between 80 and 90% charged, even if it's regularly used all day, because I get quite a few birds landing on the bird feeder. So I think this is a really unique product from VINGUYS, that they've put this solar panel on it and it charges the camera up, and the camera is really good quality too. So you get 2.5K resolution, so Ultra HD resolution, and it's plenty clear enough. I'll show you some footage on the channel, but it's plenty clear enough to identify the bird species, and it also uses AI, so the AI will actually recognize what bird it is, and it works. I was really surprised, thinking that is this going to work on it? It actually does work. Like, the quality of the AI implementation on the product is really good. Like, it told me what species it was, and you could see on the camera that it was the right species. So that was something that I was really impressed with. So 2.5K resolution, you've got full day and night mode. So not only is it a bird feeder, but also it's essentially a security camera as well. So I have it in the corner of my garden, and I can keep an eye on that corner of the garden all day and all night, not just for birds, but for any movements. It's also kind of a security device as well, which is quite nice to have. So as I've mentioned, it's solar powered, and it comes with the solar panel in the box. So a lot of companies charge extra for solar panels and different connections, and VINGUYS include the whole thing in the box, which is really nice. So at the moment it's on offer for £92, which is an absolute bargain in my mind, because you get the camera, the bird feeder and the solar panel. So you've got a security camera, a bird feeder, and a way of charging it up without having to remove the camera. I think this is definitely a good deal at the moment on their website. It also comes in 3 different colours, so you've got green, blue and yellow. It's really nice in the garden, blends into the trees and everything like that, but obviously the colours are depending on what you want to fit into your garden, so it's nice to have those 3 different colour options. Also, the installation is real, as I mentioned before, is really easy. So you can I screwed it to a fence. I didn't bother having to drill the brickwork or anything like that. It does come with raw plugs in the box, so you can attach it to brickwork really easily. So everything, as I mentioned, everything is included as a kit, which is really nice. Also, the fact it attaches to the fence, really, it literally took me like 5 minutes to 10 minutes to put this up with a ladder. It's so easy to install, and it literally just screws to the fence, solar panel screws above it, and then you've got a full complete bird feeding package with the camera built in, and you never have to take it off to charge it up. So I don't know in the winter how it would perform. I've not tried it yet, so when the sun's a bit less, will it be as good? I don't know, have to see, but I'm really interested to see if the solar panel keep it going all year round. I think solar powered products are really coming on these days. I've got some solar powered lights in our garden and they work right round through the year. So interesting how how this is going to work for me throughout the year, but so far it's really, really good. I haven't got anything negative to say about the product at all. In terms of its performance and its build quality and the installation, it was all really, really easy to put up and really, really good. So I'll just talk about the app. So the app is, you just download it from Google Play Store or iOS Store, whichever one you're using, and it integrates really well with your bird feeder. So you literally you just scan a QR code, it connects to the bird feeder, and then you've got a cloud. You can either do it on a cloud storage option, which you pay a monthly fee for, or there's a free version for 3 days. So you get 3 days worth of footage stored, then it just deletes it and rolls over, or you can extend it to 14 days, 20 days for different amounts of money. So I just used the free version because 3 days is absolutely fine for me. You can also store it on an SD card, micro SD card, which just goes on top of the camera housing. Really easy to connect to. So how to connect the camera to the app? You basically just open the camera housing, the waterproof at the top, and then you just press the connect button, and it will then say it talks to the camera saying pairing, and it pairs to your phone, pairs to the app, and then it's permanently connected to the app then, and then you just download it on different devices and log in with your username and password, and then you can just download all the footage of your birds, and it tells you, gives you notifications on the app itself what bird it's identified. So I think it recognises about 11,000 bird species, which is pretty good considering how many there are worldwide. So I found it worked perfectly. It never not worked, if that makes sense. Even when the bird wasn't that clear, it was quite clever how it worked. So that, you know, and it was really quick as well, how it identified the bird and gave me the notification to my phone within seconds. And that's having my Wi-Fi signal quite low at the end of the house. So actually, I was impressed by the rock solid stability of the Wi-Fi connection, because I've had other products like this, other cameras, various other doorbells, and they've all failed to let me down with the Wi-Fi. They all just seem to drop connection. This didn't. So that's one thing I would definitely recommend on the product, is that it has a really stable connection and Wi-Fi in real world performance, which I found from testing for 4 weeks. Also, you can download the footage, which I'll show you some footage I've downloaded on the video, and also you can send this to family and friends, which I enjoyed doing. My kids loved it. They love watching the footage of the birds landing on the bird feeder. You can put fruit on the 2 spikes next to it, or different types of food like fat balls and seeds, and it's got lots of flexibility depending on the time of year, what you need to feed the birds, and then you attract different species to the bird feeder for the camera. So for me, this has been an excellent product. It's worked really well. So let's in summary sum this up. So easy to install, complete package, so everything is included in the box, which is a big thumbs up to VINGUYS, because I hate it when manufacturers don't include a full package. So you end up ordering a product and then it comes without the solar panel, comes without the screws, comes without something you need to put it up. It's an optional extra, and they don't make it clear. So it's all included in the package, sets up really easily. Solar panel connects via USB-C into the camera, all fully IP65-66 waterproof. So far it's been out in my outside 4 to 5 weeks and had lots of rain, wind, battering, and it's had no problems, no stability problems. It's all worked flawlessly. So build quality is really good on the birdhouse. It feels like it will withstand a decent battering in the winter and weather. So I can update you later on how to let you know how I'm going with it. But so far, this product has really impressed me, and one I would definitely recommend you check out, especially on sale price at £92. It's a really, really good price. So just check out VINGUYS website. They're also on Amazon as well. I'll put the links in the description down below. Anything else you want to know about this product, just drop me a line in the comments as usual. Let me know if you've liked the review. If you haven't, any comments at all, open to anything, just let me know. We'll get into a discussion. So thank you for watching as normal. I hope you found this useful if you're looking for a bird feeder with a camera built in, because I know I've been thinking about one for a while for my kids and for a hobby, and it's just good fun and it's just really nice to have. And also it's a security camera as well. So multiple uses, lots of really good features, and it's solar powered. So I don't really know what else you could want in a product. If you're looking at this type of thing, I would highly recommend it. So thank you for watching. I'll speak to you next time when we've got so much more exciting tech coming up. I'm swamped at the moment, but it's really nice to have that, and really a big compliment to other people for reaching out to me. I really appreciate it. So thank you to VINGUYS again for sending it to me, and we'll speak to you next time. Thank you very much.